My dear students, how are you all? Hope you're fine at home and doing really well at home. So, today we are going to start with our new book, that is Global Me Technology and Computers, Tier 1. So, today we are going to start with book 1. Today we are going to start with book 1. So, in this book, there are two chapters, there are two units, that is Unit A, desktop computer, and Unit B, laptop computer and PC tablets. So we in the last class I have discussed about the main components of computer. Yes, so those components are of desktop computer. Means desktop computer in which all the parts are different, all the components are different. Means the monitor is a different component, then CPU, then speakers, then keyboards, and then mouse. So you can see here on your book in your book that on the screen you can see this is a monitor, fine, this is a keyboard, then we have a CPU, and then we have a mouse. Sometimes we have inbuilt speakers, or sometimes we have to install speakers. Okay, so it depends upon the desktop computer we are using. Getting this point? So we have a different kinds of monitors, we have different kinds of keyboards, we have a different kinds of speakers as per our requirements. As per our requirements. So I'm going to give you the detailed view of desktop computer. We are going to talk about the monitor. We are going to talk about the keyboards. So we are going to talk about the CPU, we are going to talk about the monitor, we are going to talk about the speakers and the mouse. So in this particular chapter, you should know the outlook of monitor, then keyboard, then speaker, and the mouse. If I show you the monitor, you should know this is a monitor. When I show you CPU, you know this is a CPU. So you should identify each and every component we are going to learn in this particular chapter. Getting this point? So concentrate on the screen and I'm watching you. So listen to me very carefully. So, with the starting, technology and computers. So, a computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process data. So, you should know the definition of a computer. So, what is a computer? Computer is an electronic device. Is an electronic device that manipulates information or data, that manipulates information or data. Means computer एक electronic device है. Why we call it electronic device? Because it works with the help of electricity. The devices which run on electricity, until unless there is no electricity, they will not work. Getting this point? When there is electricity, when there will be electricity, then only computer will work. Then only you can switch on the computer and switch off the computer. Then only your monitor will work. Then only your laptop will work. So your AC will work, your tube will work, your microwave, your refrigerator, your phone, all these are electronic devices. Why we call them electronic devices? Because these devices work on electricity. Until unless there is no electricity, they can't work. Okay, so we need electricity. So to run to work on computer. So that is why they are electronic device. Electronic devices are those devices which work with the help of electricity. So a computer is one of the electronic device. Fine. So it manipulates. Manipulates means it will change the data. It will understand the data in their own language. Computer works on a binary language. Binary language means they work on 1 and 0. They will not read A as a A. They will read A as 0 and 1. You will learn about this binary language, you will learn about the language of a computer in senior classes. Okay, so information, it stores information, it retrieves the information, and then it processes the information. Means we can store any kind of an image, songs, videos in laptop or in a computer. in a desktop computer. Why we do that? So that we can retrieve that particular, we can see that particular picture whenever we want to see. Yes or no? So that means it is a retrieving. We are using that picture again and again to see or to use somewhere. Fine. Then process data. It will process the data. So parts of computer are monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse, and speakers. Okay. So there are different kind of monitors, keyboards, CPUs, mouse, and speakers, which you will learn in your senior classes. But for now, you should know the monitor, how it looks. It looks like something like this. Not with the hands, without hands, it's a just a pictorial form, just a picture, a clip art, but the monitor means a screen. Fine. Then we have a keyboard. So a computer keyboard is an input device that allows a person to enter letters, numbers, and symbols. You can see there are lots of letters. All the letters are there. Q, W, E, R, T, Y. So a keyboard is known as QWERTY keyboard. QWERTY keyboard means Q, W, E, R, T, Y. The starting letters of the keyboard. So we have given the name to the keyboard, that is a QWERTY keyboard. So you have the numbers from 1 to 0. Then there are lots of symbols. You can see question mark, greater than, less than. So all these keys are there on the keyboard. So they help us to type anything, to write anything on the monitor. Then we have a mouse. So mouse help us to point at any particular pointer on the screen. So that you can see this pointer here, white color pointer, you can see here on the black screen. So this is a pointer. So it is moving. Why it is moving? Because I'm moving my mouse. Getting this point. So it will help me to close the slide, to run the slide, and to open the new slide. So I can work with the mouse on the screen. Then there is a CPU. So CPU is the main component, the primary component, the brain of the computer. So you should know the full form of CPU, that is Central Processing Unit. Okay, so you can see in this particular manner there is a CPU. Then we have speakers. Speakers are output devices. Right now you are listening my voice. Why you are listening my voice? Because there are speakers in your laptop or in your phone or in your computer. You are able to listen me. Yes or no? Yes. With the help of this video, you are able to watch me with the help of monitor, and you are able to hear me with the help of speakers. Okay, so these are the five basic components of desktop monitor. So going to learn the name and the spelling. Monitor, keyboard, CPU, central processing unit, then mouse, and then speakers. So back on your book. So CPU, monitor, speaker, keyboard, mouse. Okay, so now you can see here, you're going to do page number 6. You're going to do page number 6. You're going to color this computer. Color the picture by using the same colors as shown in the picture given above. You can see here, there's a picture here. You will color this particular computer, desktop computer, in the same color, with the same colors done in this particular picture. And then after that you're going to mention the date, month, and the year. You're going to mention the date, month, and year on page number 5 and on page number 6. On page number 5 and on page number 6, then you're going to mention the day and the weather. Getting this point? So complete your page number 5 and 6. Complete your page number 5 and 6. Getting this point? Desktop computer, date, month, year. Okay, mention the date, then the weather. You are going to Identify each and every part here, and then you're going to color the picture by using the same color as in the picture given above. Okay, so complete till page number 6. Then I'm going to show you how we write with the help of keyboard, how we are going to type with the help of keyboard, and then we are going to learn about the mouse, how the mouse works on the monitor. Getting this point? And then we are going to learn about the music and printer. Fine, that is a speakers and printer. So the next class will be of 7 and 8 page. You are going to do page number 5 and 6 in this particular class. Getting this point? Now it's time for your diaries. So please take out your diaries. So you're going to complete your page number 6 and you're going to write your diary. So you're going to mention the date, and then in the column of computers, you're going to write do page number 6. You're going to write do page number 6. So do complete your work. In next class, we're going to learn on page number 7, the things on page number 7 and 8. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye.